Hello guys, welcome back to developers.ai. So in this video we are going to implement CI/CD pipelines on Google Cloud, and it is a challenging lab. So if you're new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe for more updates on developers.ai. So let's start the lab and just copy your password and open your console in ignore mode. So click on next and paste your password here and click on next. So click on I understand. So click on agree and continue. So open your closure terminal in your lab. And click on continue. So come back to your lab. So I will provide link in the description. So get access of that link. So come back to your GitHub and just copy your export zone here and just come back to your lab and wait till your terminal loads. Okay, click on got it and paste your export zone here and come back to your lab and click on task number 2, and above task number 2 there's a fifth point here. Below fifth point, locations equals, there will given a location here. So US East 4A, so copy your location. So just copy that and then come back and copy your zone here and paste it here and click on enter and just come back and then copy the curl command given in your GitHub link and just paste here and click on enter. So click on authorize. So wait for 10 to 15 minutes. The lab will be easily solved, guys. So let me wait for 10 minutes and just check our progress after that. So guys, finally our lab has been executed. So come back to our lab and let me check our progress. So click on task number 1. There is no check my progress option here. So let me move for task number 2 and click on check my progress. So task number 2 has been successfully completed. Let me move for task number 3. Click on check my progress. So task number 3 also successfully completed. Let me move for task number 4. Task number 4 also successfully completed. Let me move for task number 5. So task number 5 also successfully completed, guys. Let me move for task number 7. And finally guys, our lab has been successfully completed. So let's end this lab. So before ending this lab, so do if you like this channel, please like, share and subscribe for more updates on developers.ai, guys. Thank you.